Robert, you're the laboratory director for the analytical services at Alta Sciences. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
The laboratory director is responsible for overseeing the main functions of the analytical laboratory, including development and validation of new methods, continual stability in process and release testing of existing products, and also manufacturing support. But there's another part of it, and that's interacting with clients, because behind every client, there's a team of scientists dedicated to their own submission. And I work with them to make sure they have all the analytical data they need to support that process. Up until I joined Alta Sciences, I was on the other side of things, working with contract manufacturing organizations to support regulatory filings. And so I've seen the part from both sides, and I think that really helps me relate to our clients, their filings, and be able to support them in that.
Walk us through the analytical lab for a moment. What happens there on a daily basis?
Every day, the lab is engaged in three different activities. There's operational support for manufacturing services, development and validation for new projects, and routine testing, stability in process and release for existing products.
Talk to us about the ways in which sponsors can partner with Alta Sciences for analytical services.
Sponsors can partner with Alta Sciences just for analytical activities, such as the support of investigational R&D drugs, or we can have a much broader scope where Alta Sciences can manufacture and also support the release and stability testing of batches used for clinical studies.
What is the onboarding process like, and how do you ensure that your team is always up to date with industry and regulatory standards?
Our onboarding process is thorough and first involves SOP training, followed by a demonstration of skills for all the equipment and procedures used in-house. We do weekly training sessions where we use the time to educate each other about industry experience or current regulatory expectations, and then we take that knowledge and transfer it to the projects we work on for our clients.